Welcome to part 2 of the dips. I've already taught you how to make the beetroot mutabba. Now we're going to do something everybody loves, hummus. I'm going to show you how easy peasy it is to make. You go and buy it from a supermarket, you pay a fortune for it. To be honest, it costs nothing to make. And hummus is always very popular in my cooking classes. Whenever it would be on the list of dishes to teach, it's like my classes are immediately booked. Everybody loves it. And it really takes 2 minutes. We're going to start with hummus. Hummus, you can cook your own, boil your own. You can buy it already made. You can use organic, whatever it is. It's a tin, and normally there's standard measurements in the tin, but just in case it's different where you're living, we need 240 grams of cooked chickpeas, and I want you to save half the water that comes in the tin, so half the brine that's in there. And also pay attention if it's salted or not salted, because then you might need to add less salt or more salt. So I've got the chickpeas and I've reserved half the liquid, the brine. Blender, you need a really strong blender. If you don't have a blender, the flavor is going to be the same. The only thing that will be different is the texture. It will be a little bit grainy, but that's also yum. Again, tahini, which is the sesame paste. I'm going to put around 1/4 cup. This does call for a good amount of tahini. Again, garlic. Now garlic, you can make it as garlicky or as less garlicky as you want. I'm going to put 1 medium clove in, but you can put less. Actually, that's a little too big for medium, so I'm gonna just cut that. And then salt. Mine does not have salt, so I'm just gonna put around a teaspoon, and then I'll add more. Again, the salt you use would have a different saltiness, so use what you are used to within the measurements you're used to. So my teaspoon might require a little bit more than a teaspoon or less than a teaspoon with the salt you use. To this, I'm gonna add lemon. Again, around 1/4 cup. And it's nice, quite lemony. This is around 1/4 cup. And the blender, that's it. Very easy. And don't forget always to taste. Yummy. And that's done. It's ready. All you need is your plate and your bread. And that's it. Didn't even take 2 minutes. I like some flavors with it, so I love cumin with my hummus. I'm just going to put a little bit of cumin, and I love smoked spicy paprika because I really like chilies. And we always finish this with some good extra virgin olive oil, just a little bit. And that's your hummus in 2 minutes. Keep watching, because next you're gonna see a yummy aubergine mutabba dish, which is equally yummy.